show you my absolutely foolproof and easiest recipe for homemade Greek pita breads or the Greek flatbreads. Super easy to make, very delicious, and with only a couple, 3 ingredients, they are unbelievably quick. So for this recipe here, it's very, very simple. I'm gonna use the help of my food processor. If you do not have a food processor, no big deal. Just use, you can mix by hand, but then again, I put like the wow in lazy, so I like to do the easy route. Now, for this recipe here, it is very, very simple. I am using basically 2 ingredients. Greek stirred yogurt, which is the yogurt that isn't strained, not the thick stuff like for tzatziki, but the thinner stuff, which is what we want. It's going to give us a perfect consistency and perfect moisture as well. So in here, I'm going to dump 750 grams of my Greek yogurt, and this is going to make quite a few pitas. And this recipe, you can half, you can divide, you can do whatever you like. It is totally, totally easy. So that's my yogurt going in. The trick to this recipe and what makes it foolproof is I am using the exact same amount of self-rising flour for this. So whatever container your yogurt was in, this is what we're going to use in terms of our flour. So that's about right there, give or take. And I'm just going to take this and throw this in there as well. And that's perfect. Let me just real quick clean this out. And that, my friends, is the fundamental or the base for our pita breads. Just like that. I'm also going to take a couple of tablespoons of Greek extra virgin olive oil is going to go in here, as well as, sorry I forgot this, a pinch of salt. So a little pinch of salt will go in there, and that's it. That is our ingredients for our pita breads. Put it in. Now buckle up, because this is where it gets crazy. What can I tell you? There's nothing to this. All right, now here's the thing. Depending on the humidity in your place or whatever, you may have to add a little more flour to your mixture. So I would just add maybe a 1/4 cup increments until you get that consistency that we're actually looking for. I'm going to take some regular all-purpose flour. And I'm just going to real quick just work on my board here and dust my board with this. I'm also going to get my pan going because I'm going to dry fry these or dry cook these in a frying pan. So I'm going to take this and just real quick, just roll it out. And even if it's a little sticky, don't worry. We're going to add some flour to this as well to continue with our molding process. A little self-rising flour there, and just work it and fold it. Work and fold. That's all there is to this. Until this all will absorb the moisture from our yogurt. And already, this is starting to smell fantastic. All right, so now our dough, for the most part, is ready. Just let me clean off my hands real quick. So I'm going to take a little piece of my dough. I'm going to form it up into like a 2-inch ball. I'm going to break out the peacemaker. And all I'm going to do is just start rolling this out. And they don't have to be perfect, just like that. And put them down there. And you continue on making your pitas. Nothing complicated. Just keep an eye on it. That won't take long at all. You flatten it out here, take a little flour and just keep working it. And these aren't made from a factory, so you don't have to be perfectly round either. Oh yeah, baby. That's the one. Check this out. How gorgeous. It even smells fantastic in here. So just keep rolling these out. Grab a plate to throw them on. When I say this is easy, this is like really easy. Put that there. Throw in the other one. There. Just like that. And you just keep going. That's all there is. There is literally nothing else to this. You just like the restaurants, baby. There is nothing, absolutely nothing more to this. Let me try this now. Let's cool down a little. Oh, look at that. Look at this. This is absolutely fantastic. Only thing that's missing from this is a beautiful like souvlaki in the middle. So good. So simple, so easy to make. Crazy good. Leave that in there for a couple more minutes. So that's it, my friends, for this episode on my foolproof, quick and easy Greek-style flatbread or Greek-style pita bread. Very easy to make, couple 3 ingredients, and you are absolutely done. You can make these even on the fly if you want to make yourself like a killer sandwich. This is how you absolutely do it. So, I thank you so much for watching yet again. Hope you liked this. Please hit that like button if you did, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Check out this recipe as well and many others on kensgreektable.com. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.